Some switches slip under the radar. Others just sit in my drawer for 4 months first. I won't bore you with the specs. If you're looking for a buttery smooth linear switch with a long pull bottom out sound that presents as more of a deeper clack, I would highly recommend you consider these Akko Stellar Rose switches. Along with the mirror switches from the previous video, this marks Akko's first partnership with HMX, the same manufacturer behind some of the most popular linear options from 2024. And right out of the box, the Stellar Rose switches carry over many of the same qualities that made HMX a household name in the mechanical keyboard space. The factory lubing is consistent from switch to switch, and it's miraculously smooth with virtually no scratch. Stem wobble is also very well controlled, and I didn't get a hint of spring crunch or leaf ping at all. These switches share the same weight with the mirror switches on paper, but because the switch has a longer travel distance from the shorter stem pull, the Stellar Rose switches present as a slightly heavier switch than the mirror switch, given the extra bit of compression at the tail end of the keystroke. This longer travel distance also contributes to the noticeable difference in sound profile between the two switches. While the mirror is a very bright sounding switch with its longer stem pull, the Stellar Rose has a deeper sound profile, which is often colloquially referred to as creamy. Between the two, I do prefer the Stellar Rose, as it's a bit less fatiguing to my ears in everyday use. All in all, I continue to be surprised by how under the radar the Stellar Rose and mirror switches have been. By offering a steady supply of HMX switches through its many sales channels, Akko is making high-quality linear options much more accessible, whether you're new to the hobby or already very deep into the rabbit hole. And honestly, the fact that I can get a box of these Akko HMX linears delivered overnight through Amazon at a price that is still competitive is just absolutely wild to me. We've definitely come a long way in this hobby with budget offerings being such high quality. Anyway, that's enough yapping from me. I've included a few different sound tests of the Stellar Rose switches, so have a listen for yourself. If you want to try them out, I've also included some affiliate links below. Shopping through these links helps out the channel, and I always appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.